Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. Sorry, I missed the last video. Well, I shouldn't say missed I didn't put a video out on Saturday after Vlogmas. I needed a small break, so I took one, but I am back and just excited to show you what I got for Christmas and just to show you that things don't have to be super expensive to be luxurious, because I think that I got luxurious items for Christmas, even if they might not be, you know, like a super brand name, this, that, or the next thing. So without further ado, I think I'll show you what I got for Christmas. I did get a gift card for Amazon from one of my boys, and the same, are my oldest and middle son did bought wood and then repaired a fence we have in the backyard that had some
issues.
yeah, and so they took care of that, so that was really exciting. Then my youngest son got me this 4K Christmas Vacation. I love Christmas Vacation. We know this. When I'm done showing you what I got, the cameraman will show you all 24 items that came in the calendar. There were 24 items. One of them I'm not sure what it is, but all the rest we know. So yeah, can't wait to crack into this, although we did just watch this not very long ago. So eventually we'll be watching that. And then one of the things I got from Mick was this magic bullet. I wanted this. I see so many people using these, and I decided that I wanted to try it to be able to make stuff. Look at it this way too. So we were picking one up for our oldest son, and I'm like, I wouldn't mind one of those. And so Mick got me that. He also got me a subscription to puzzle magazine. So every other month I'll get one of these penny press magazines that have all kinds of like cryptograms in them and anagrams and crossword puzzles and stuff like that. I really like doing those, so he got me a year-long subscription to that, so I'm excited about that. Let's see, he got me this ring, and it says my family. It's stainless steel, and then on the inside it's got the names of my kids and my husband. So I have that for my middle finger. Then he also got me this ring. It's probably going to be harder to see. It's the one in the middle. It's got blue sapphires in it. And it's just a stackable ring that I have down between these two. So here's my little stack. It's just awesome. So I got those two from him too. Then I got, let's see what else. Some sewing stuff. I got a seam guide ruler. And oops, that's my gift card. Let's see what else I have in my bag of goodies here. Let's see. I got some gray thread. Thread is expensive, so I asked for some for Christmas. Got some other stuff in there too. Let's see. I got some green thread, some more gray thread. And then I got some more thread. There's a few more threads in there. Things of thread. I have my box in there from my, 2 boxes in there from my rings. Then another thing that I got, because I was watching a quilter that I like to watch, and she talked about these, and I saw them and decided that I needed them. Because she said the one thing that you really want to invest in is a very good
Husband.
pair of scissors.
Oh.
And this is by Guggenheim. These came from Germany. They have lifetime warranties on them. They take this very seriously. You get this whole little card, a story about them. But it is just a really nice pair of scissors. So these were I think they're on sale for like $65. They were on sale, and so I told Mick so he could pick them up when they were on sale for me. But yeah, they're lifetime warranty. You can send them back to have them sharpened, and if anything goes wrong with them, they'll take care of it. They're extremely substantial, and I'm in love with them now. I'm like, this is the 9-inch. Maybe I need another couple pairs because it feels like this is like luxury for quilting. Comes in a super nice box, really nice presentation, and yeah, to me this is like luxury for quilting. I bent up the box a little bit there, but these will be coming out soon enough. So
every good seamstress needs a good pair of scissors.
Right. Although I quilt more than a seamstress so far.
Every good quilter
yeah
needs a good pair
and
of
then
scissors.
the last thing that I got for Christmas was in here. Mick has his watches. He's been rubbing off on me a little bit. I saw this Timex one and the Tiffany blue face, and I decided that I need this. So it shows you the day of the week, and it shows you the date of the week or the
Of
day.
month.
Yeah, and then there's just the face, and it's just this really pretty silver bracelet, I guess you'd call it, for this thing.
Yep.
So I just love it. I think it's fantastic. So he got me that too. So those are my
Boy,
Christmas
you must have been
presents.
good this year.
I was very good this year. So yeah, I had a great Christmas. We just what we did this year is we made brunch for the boys, and first we opened gifts Christmas morning. Then I had them go on a little treasure hunt, me and Mick put together, and then it was really funny because they were figuring out the puzzles because you had to figure out something before you went to the next clue, and one of them was what did we only use 1/3 of the time this year, and it was supposed to be our main level bathroom because for
8 months.
2/3 of the year we couldn't use it, but my one son thought, oh, the pinball machines, because they also couldn't be used for 2/3 of the year because the basement was still a mess and hadn't been put back together from the time we got water in December last year. So he goes to the pinball machine, and on there was another clue. But that clue they weren't supposed to get to until about 3 or 4 other
Clues later, right?
But instead they got to that one, which was the one just before the end. So then they figured out the end clue, and we're like went to it. So it kind of didn't go the way we had hoped, but they still had a really good time.
Best laid plans.
Right, doing it. So then we had a nice lunch together, and then just kind of relaxed the rest of the day, and it was really nice. So
And I watched football.
yeah, he watched football. We had a good time at the Packer game, that 23rd. That was awesome. They had a great win. It was a great game. I got to go to my company's box, so and I got to bring someone, so it was really a good time. We saw Mamma Mia, me and my youngest son, a few days before that, so I've had quite the whirlwind between that and Vlogmas. So yeah, I just needed a day off to kind of recoup, and I'm back now, and glad to see everybody here. Let's see, before I go, and it will end with him showing you all the things from the calendar, but yeah, the going forward, at least, not sure if it'll be this week or not, but probably starting next week with the new year on Mondays, I will do a video showing you my bag switch. I will switch into a new bag, show you, take out what was in my old one, put in my new one, and so you'll get to see my bags. The SLGs, I'll probably chat a little bit while I'm doing it, and put those up on Mondays. So on Mondays, I hope to do bag swaps. On Wednesday and Saturdays, I'll do my normal content. And then every other Thursday will be a book video. Again, I was supposed to do a book video this past Thursday, but with Christmas and everything else, it just didn't happen. But moving forward, every other Thursday, I will be doing book videos as well. If you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME _S_jam. Usually out there, I'll also do a reel showing my bag of the week and the SLGs and everything that fit in it. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I had a great Vlogmas, had a number of people subscribe, and I'm just want to welcome you all here. I'm so glad you're here and found me and you came into my little corner of the world, or our little corner of the world. Really means a lot to me. If you hit the little bell notification, it'll notify you every time I put up a video. And then I guess I would say until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And thank you so much for watching. And now I'll just have Mick end it with showing you the items that were in the calendar.
Which item was the one that you weren't sure?
The dot sticker one.
Yeah, we're not sure if these are supposed to be snowballs or what, but this is everything that was in the calendar. Marty Moose. All right. Say goodbye to 2024. Bye.